Hello everyone, I'm Rupsha. I'm a senior business analyst at Geekians, and today we will be discussing about designing a marketplace for entrepreneurs who have small to medium scale businesses and balancing their needs of buyers, sellers, and funders as well. So let's get into it. So let's first answer this main question of why marketplaces even matter. There are three major reasons to that. First is connecting all our stakeholders that play a major role in this complete flow of buying and selling businesses all together and giving them a common platform. Next is giving them complete transparency through our platform. And last is reducing frictions or minimizing any obstacles that are bound to come into picture throughout this long and complicated journey of buying and selling our businesses, right? So next, let's discuss about who are the key players. First, we have our sellers who needs visibility and proper valuation to sell their businesses and from where our flow starts as well. Next, we have buyers who are actively seeking for businesses which match their investment goals. And next, we have our funders who are ready to provide financial support and to facilitate all the business transactions that might go through here. And last but not at all the least, we have our marketplace admins who ensure regulatory compliances, any risk assessments, and platform security, along with catering to our buyer, seller, and funder needs if at any point there are any obstacles. Next, we will be talking about the key challenges that all of these main stakeholders face during the process of buying and selling a business. First, let's talk about buyers. They generally struggle with business verifications, fair valuation, and because they need clear insights on the financials, risks, and potential factors or potential returns that might come into picture in buying a particular business. Next, let's talk about sellers. What they struggle with mostly is attracting genuine buyers because in offline cases where instead of a marketplace, if we were going with a normal situation, they have limited exposure there. So they struggle with attracting genuine buyers instead of dragging a process which might not turn into something fulfilling, and ensuring their business is valued correctly as well, so that the genuine buyers might be interested in taking the process forward. Next, our funders generally struggle with assessing borrower risk and ensuring that funds go to reliable buyers and that's not misplaced, and that which might cause multiple risk factors for their future endeavors. So solving these challenges require a data-driven decision-making well-structured workflow from where our marketplace generally comes into picture, right? So next we will talk about optimizing our buyer experience through our marketplace. So to start with, first what we can have as a major feature is advanced search and filtering processes so that our buyers are allowed to filter businesses by industry, revenue, and location. Next, we can have AI powered valuation. We will talk about the AI powered solutions or help that we can provide through the marketplace in a bit in a more detailed manner as well. But for now, our AI powered valuations can provide instant unbiased pricing based on the marketplace trends and financial data that are there. Next is due diligence reports, where automated risk, legal compliances, business performance, and reports can be generated. And obviously, fourth and one of the very important points is funding options, right? So, in through our marketplace, we can just provide a one-stop solution for all of these options. So, through our funding options, buyer can secure financial needs or financing directly through the platform, and they can have a much more streamlined process along that as well. So by integrating these features, buyer can make much more faster and confident purchasing decisions. So next we will talk about how we can make our sellers life or the selling process much more seamless through our marketplace. So here, first sellers basically require an efficient system to list and evaluate and market their businesses which they are willing to sell. So first we have business listings. Through our platform, we can provide easy onboarding process and a structured data collection. There are multiple third-party sources or accounting firms available online through which we can integrate our marketplace and get the structured data automatically without hassling our seller much, and that will become a much more seamless process for onboarding a seller. Next, we have automated valuation. Again, when we'll do a AI driven pricing module to ensure that the businesses that they are willing to buy or that they are willing to sell, basically, that are priced in a unbiased and fair manner. That's one more point. And next is seller profile analysis. So through AI evaluations, our AI evaluations, there can be seller credibility, and AI score can be assigned to the seller as well. And next is targeted buyer matching learning identifiers. So let's talk about our sellers next, and how we can make their life and the selling journey much more seamless. So first and foremost, again, we'll start with business listings and how through our marketplace platform we can make a much more easier onboarding process. So there are multiple accounting firms available online with which we can integrate through APIs and get the seller's financial data directly on our platform, and which will be like a hassle-free, easy onboarding experience for the seller. Next is automated valuation. We can give real-time pricing which will be unbiased and fair to the sellers as well, which will help them to attract any genuine buyer that are there in the market. Next, seller profile analysis. Again, it's AI driven solution where we can give credible scores to the sellers, and the marketplace can give them proper ratings so that the proper businesses can be advertised more. And obviously, targeted buyer matching with machine learning. Machine learning can basically identify high profile buyers, and sellers can have a targeted focus on those buyers and take their conversation further. Along with all of these, we can also provide complete NDA process or any kind of documentation process throughout this journey that will take place through our platform itself, maybe through different API integrations, right? So by offering these tools, sellers increase their chances of a much faster and fairer deal through our marketplace. So let's talk about our funders next and how we can enable smart financing. Obviously, first, the main challenge what we discussed earlier is also that the funders mainly look for their risk assessment valuations or how their risk can be minimized for further. So through risk assessment, AI analysis, buyer seller profiles can be determined, and their risk levels can be determined mostly. Then with our platform, we can also automate the loan process, which is, as we know, very tedious and very complicated, long process. But through our marketplace, we can automate and streamline the application, approval, and disbursement workflows. Next, we have data driven. We can create our data driven lending process. It will be like a AI powered credit score which will ensure transparency in funding decisions. So providing a seamless funding experience it'll ensure much more deal closures quickly and successfully for our funders as well. So keeping all that in mind, we'll move to next, where we are mainly discussing how we can leverage AI for smarter marketplaces. As we know that AI is taking the world by storm, and this marketplace also can basically use AI for having a much more smarter decisions in place. To begin with, we have AI powered valuations. We can have AI powered business valuations, basically, where it will eliminate mostly the human bias and it will provide much more accurate pricing, which will help both our buyers and sellers in making their decisions. Then we can have predictive analysis. Predictive analysis basically can recommend businesses with high successful potentials. Risk assessment, we can create risk assessment models through Gen AI. It can flag potential fraud, financial instability looking at the data. Automated due diligence, which speeds up verification and compliance processes during our funding flow. So these AI-driven enhancement can ensure a much more efficient and data-backed marketplace for all our key players to have a seamless workflow. Next, we will talk about ensuring trust and security through our marketplace, how we can ensure trust and security to all our stakeholders. So for fraud prevention, we can have strict KYC and manual document verification. Then we can have secure payment methods through escrow and milestone based transactions. We can achieve much more secure payment functionalities. Then where in this secure payment method, basically funds are released, where funds can be released only after agreed upon conditions are met. Then we can have deal commitments. Buyers can place a refundable deposit and reduce deal dropouts, which definitely will be a pain point for a lot of sellers. Next, we can have legal compliances, of course, where we can pre-approve legal templates and automate contract validations while standardizing contracts. So with these strategies, the marketplace remains secure and efficient for all our key stakeholders and users. Next, we will be talking about how we can basically summarize the complete flow that we discussed till now and how we can have a future. So having said that, let's now summarize what we understood throughout our discussion or throughout our journey of having so having said that, now let's summarize and talk about how we can create a future ready marketplace. So to design an effective marketplace, we must address the needs of all our stakeholders, our buyers, sellers and funders equally, and not favoring any of them over another. Next, as we learned, our AI and automation are extremely essential for different decision making, scalability and security factors. Next is transparency and risk management are definitely key to success, and compliances are definitely very critical for marketplaces. And future marketplaces will be more data driven. They'll be much more AI powered and integrated with emerging technologies. As day by day AI is getting powerful, we'll definitely be able to use that for our marketplace future readiness as well. And to close it, what I'll say is a well structured marketplace is not just about transactions, it's about fostering trust and enabling growth for all our stakeholders. So yeah, with that, I'll end today's discussion, and thank you so much for tuning in. See you in the next video. Bye bye.